So today we will do a short revision of grammar of chapter 1. So before we continue, there is a disclaimer for all of you, and please read the disclaimer carefully. And now let's go to the next page. So first we are going to mark the position of verb in a sentence, and there are the commonly used sentence in the first chapter. So mein Name ist Indian Soul. Ich bin Indian Soul. Ich komme aus Indien. Sie sprechen Hindi. Now you tell me that what is the position of verb? So verb is always in second position. And then comes the W-Frage or W questions. And as in English, we have German Frageworte or the question words that starts from W. So where is das? So maybe you remember who is that, and so for who is that, we say where is das. So again mark the position of the verb. Wie heißen Sie? Woher kommen Sie? Was sprechen Sie? So wie heißen Sie means how do you call? So where means who, wie means how. Woher kommen Sie? So that means from where you came. Was sprechen Sie? So that means what do you speak? So a short summary. Where is who? Wie is how? Woher is from where? And was means what? So let's come to verb conjugation. So in German, basically, a verb is having two parts. One is the stem, or the basic part of the word. So for example, here in verb kommen, kom is the stem, and you have to then modify the tail of the verb according to the subject. So with ich you always use ich komme, du kommst, sie kommen, and then you see with heißen you use with ich you use heiße, with du you use heißt, with sie you use heißen. So ich heiße, du heißt, sie heißen. And then you see here sprechen is not a normal verb. It changes a bit. So not only the tail changes, but you see with the do in place of e or a of German, you add I. So ich spreche, du sprichst, sie sprechen. And then you see this verb sein is totally different from all the verbs. So it has a different kind of conjugation, and it changes completely. So with ich it's ich bin, with du it's du bist, and with sie it's sie sind. So right now we are working with these three pronouns only, but we are going to learn more. But right now this much is sufficient for us. Now let's learn how to make words in German. So you see, first example is if you have the word Name, you can either modify it to tell you Vorname or familiar Name. So German is famous for this thing. They have very long words, and these words are nothing but the combination of words. So basically, what is a sentence in English? It's basically a word in German. So Vorname means first name, and Familienname means surname. And for another example is Numa. So for example, you have to say house number. You say instead of house number, as a two different words, you say one word, that is house number. And in the same way, if you want to say telephone number, instead of saying the two different words, you say only one word, that is telephone number. And then comes Zal. Zal means also a number, and for pin code, so basically it's a code. So for pin code, you say Postleitzahl. So that's all for today, and thank you very much. And tomorrow we will start a new chapter. Congratulations for doing this chapter with me. Bye bye.